Hey everyone, curious how I clean my piranha tank without getting bitten? You are in the right place. I'll show you my step-by-step process for keeping the home clean and my hands safe. So stick around. Alright, so this is how the water looks immediately after the cleaning the tank. You can see it's still a little cloudy, and this is my filter. And this is after the fill has been running about an hour. You can see the water is much clearer. Still not perfectly crystal yet, that's normal. Now about putting my hands in aquarium, piranha are actually quite skittish. They are more likely to get scared and swim away from you. Quick movement usually spook them also. But remember guys, this is only an aquarium. White piranhas are very different and much more likely to bite you, so never try this in the wild. That's how I keep my piranha tank clean and my fingers still intact. Hope you found this video interesting guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.